So, as I was about to make my exit, y'all, I was looking on YouTube and I just found it myself. It's called Little Uzi Vert, Playboi Cardi, Firearms, something like that. But basically, as I was listening to it, it didn't sound fire, but I didn't even listen to Lil Uzi part yet. So I'm gonna just, I'm gonna pray. I skipped through Playboi Cardi part. I'm like at 113, cause I was playing it and I was like, I only like to listen to his songs that he's when he's by himself, because usually when Lil Uzi when he play his songs with other people, normally they you can actually point them out and say they're trash, because only his part is good. To me it is, I just don't like it. I don't like when he raps with other people. It doesn't. He should be like a Lil Wayne, if you know what I mean. He should only rap by himself. But it's okay. We got this, y'all. I'm about to listen to this. I'm at the part when he said, I'm with the squad, hey. I'm with the squad, hey. Yeah, But we better just listen to his part, Let's go. Hey.
I got rich, came up off these shows. Playboi cardi, only be locked up that I know. No, I gotta keep my fire on. That might whip I'm flying. Back down on my left, bad bitch on my right arm. Daniel Hills, they so high, get your hat on. Smoke that guy like Shaq, throw that guy like right on. Giving that gold, stick to the cold. I got that roll, I got that roll.
I don't like Playboi Cardi, y'all. I just don't. Squad. I'm with the squad, hey. I'm with the squad, hey. I'm with the squad, hey.
All of my niggas are loyal. All of my niggas are ghost. All of my niggas are loyal. All of my niggas are ghost.
I just don't like dude, bro.
All of my niggas are loyal. All of my niggas are ghost. I got the roll.
Hey.
I got the roll.
Hey.
I got the roll.
Hey.
I got the roll. I got a dummy. Fuck up the money. I got rich. Came up off these shows. Playboi cardi, only be locked up that I know. Playboi cardi, only be locked up that I know. Playboi cardi, only be locked up that I know. Playboi cardi, only be locked up that I know.
Luz, you ain't have to say his name that many times though, bro. He ain't that good. You saying his name like he a legend, bro. Only song I mess with is Mongolia, and that was barely good enough. Like, dang, man. Let me pause this, man. Look, somebody else reacting to it. Like, Hey, man, yo. That song was only lit because Lil Uzi was in it. If you could only play his verse, then I say that'd be bone teeth, But that kind of was a disappointment. Like, comment, and subscribe if you mess with that song. It's called Firearms. It's at the bottom description. You can go, go check it out. Type it in. But I'm out, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. You can smack those comments if you want. But I'm out, y'all. Do say.